Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I attempted to look unrecognizable. I did this Bambi eye inspired makeup, and so if you want to know how I did the look, so then keep on watching. And as you can see, I started my makeup with color correcting with my illegal concealer, and now I'm going in with the Maybelline skin tint that I have been loving recently. I was never into dewy makeup base, but I love the finish so much. And then I went into my eye makeup and I concealed my eyes as a primer, and then I was setting my concealer with the powder. This is a life-changing hack. My eyeshadow doesn't crease anymore. Now I'm taking this Too Faced Italian Spirits palette. Look how gorgeous this is, and I'm starting with the peach shade on my crease. I'm kind of drawing a line and then blending it with the brush. Then I decided that I want to make this look cool toned. Then I went in with a cool toned brown. It's like a chocolate brown shade, and I'm just blending this eyeshadow on my crease. I'm building this shade again and again. And then to intensify the brown on my crease, I went in with this darker shade from the Colourpop Wild Child palette, and then I took a beige shade from the Too Faced palette and put that on my lids, and then I topped it off with another white shade. I wanted to do the eyeliner differently than I usually do, so as it's a Bambi eye makeup, I did a short thick wing. Now I'm smoking my outer corner with the chocolate brown shade. I am blending my eyeliner, outer corner and crease all together, and then I'm retouching the white shade. Now the mandatory part of the Bambi eye, white or nude kajal on my waterline, and now my eyes are still teary. I'm using my favorite concealer from Milani. Now I'm setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Now don't ask me how I did it. I just took the eyeliner and drew a line along with my lash line, contouring my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I didn't show the process properly as I was running late. And now I'm doing my lips. This is a illegal lip liner, a cool toned brown shade. Now I am slightly smoking my lower lash line using a flat brush and the chocolate brown shade from the Too Faced palette. I applied some concealer on the center of my lips, and now the lip combo looks so put together. A classic brown lip liner and a concealer lip combo can never go wrong. And now I'm using some mascara on my lower lashes to complete the look and highlighting my inner corners. I only used highlighter on my nose, didn't use it on my cheekbone. Mandatory beauty mark. And now the look is complete. I was so proud of my attempt on unrecognizable makeup because I feel like it really does make me unrecognizable. A very different look than what I usually do. So that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.